Hello and welcome to this brief Moodle tutorial. My name is Juan Borra and today we are going to see how to set up a one topic view in Moodle. So if we log into Moodle, you go to any of your courses. Let me go to this one. And then when you land into your course, the topic, the format, the view format, the mode will define how students will see your course in Moodle. In this case, you can see already the one topic format. That means that each section or topic is split there on different tabs, and the students will be able to only see one topic or section at a time. This is very useful for courses that run through different weeks, and activities and material can be split by week. Some teachers will also use it to create different sections, in this case for exams. But let's have a look, how do you set this up? It is pretty simple. You need to go into this top right to this gear and click on settings, and you'll have to scroll all the way down to course formats, and here the format is on the first option, and you can choose different type of format. Hagahelia recommends to use a one topic format because it seems to be the clearest for students, and as I said, in one topic format you will see one section at a time. What is the difference, for example, with topic format, which is usually the default type of mode that comes with Moodle? In that case, the students or you will see a long page that you can scroll down with all the sections one below the other, under the other. This type of course view is very useful when you're building up your course, that you can then move parts from one section to the other. Otherwise, it is suggestible or recommendable to set it up as one topic view. So let's go again. You scroll down, you go into course format, you look for one topic format, and then you just press save and return, and that's again will align each section into these tabs and show only one section at a time. And the last tip for this type of settings is remember to use short names for the sections, otherwise this view will become a little bit clumsy. So if I turn on the editing and I edit this section, if I give a very long name section, you will see that then the tabs become a bit too long, particularly when you've got many sections. It's something to keep in mind. I will now turn my tab back into week 3 format, so that's easy to see. Anyway, if you have any question, don't forget to contact me at juan.borra@hagahelia.fi, and thanks for watching. Bye.